Hello, my name is Akshat. I am from Mitra Technologies and welcome to a brand new tutorial on game designing in Unity. In this tutorial, we'll be going over the fundamentals of game design and understanding what is the basic pipeline of how a game is made. Video games have started to become a daily part of our routine, whether it be playing alone, playing with friends, seeing other people play, playing to kill time, or even make a career out of playing games. बट वीडियो गेम बनाना इतना ईजी नहीं लगता। उसके लिए हज़ारों लोग लगते हैं, बहुत टाइम जाता है एंड बहुत सारी रिसोर्सेज भी लगाने पड़ते हैं। बट इट्स वे ईजियर देन इट वाज बिफोर बिकॉज ऑफ द टूल्स दैट इज at our disposal now. One of those tools is Unity. Unity is a cross-platform game engine for building 2D and 3D experiences, made famous for overcoming the challenge of game development for beginners. Created in Copenhagen, Denmark, released in 2005. बहुत सारे गेम बने हैं यूनिटी पे जैसे Among Us, Monument Valley, augmented reality apps like Pokemon Go, and even first-person shooters like Escape from Tarkov. We'll be using Unity to create an endless runner in this tutorial, just like Subway Surfer and Temple Run, using our own models and assets. So let's get started. So Unity download करने के लिए first we have to go to unity.com. So unity.com पे जाएंगे and we press on this download button. We would get a download for Windows button that would help for us to get the Unity for Windows if you're using Windows. There's a Mac option as well. After installing Unity from the application that we just downloaded from the site, we would be prompted to a Unity hub once we start the Unity application. And either say we install new versions of Unity, we open new projects. We have four options here. Project, यहाँ पे हम सारे projects open करेंगे. Learn option that provides us some tutorial that are provided by Unity, so we can also check them out. Community can help you with some questions that you have about Unity, and community experts would reply you back. This is like a chat room, and this is the versions tab. इससे हम चेक कर सकते हैं कि our version of Unity, what is our version of Unity and which version is the newest. So to start a new project, we have to go in the project window and press this new button. Once we press that button, we have to enter the project name. So let's just write test1 right now. Okay, and after that, यहाँ location में हमें location डालना है. So for that, we would have to select a folder and let's just select this one, copy the location, paste it here. Yeah, so after that, we would have a template option here. हम अभी endless runner बना रहे हैं and that would be a 3D one. So we would be using 3D. अगर आप 2D बनाना चाहें, so we can choose that. But अभी for right now, it is 3D. Make sure यहाँ टेस्ट पे जैसे हमारे पास एक स्पेस है, ये स्पेस यहाँ ना है बिकॉज यूनिटी इज सेंसिटिव एंड सो विदाउट दैट इट वुडंट क्रिएट आवर प्रोजेक्ट. सो वंस वी डन दैट एंड प्रेस क्रिएट, ये हमारा लोडिंग स्क्रीन है ऑफ यूनिटी. लेट्स जस्ट वेट वंस इट्स डन. Once Unity boots up, we'll be welcomed with its interface. आप देख सकते हैं कि ये बहुत सारे parts में divided है अभी, and we'll be exploring all of them. जैसे hierarchy tab है, inspector tab है, project tab है. But first हम scene view देखेंगे. This is where the magic happens. यहीं पे सारी चीज़ें हम बनाते हैं, हमारा game environment यहीं बनता है, and इसी पे हम play test करते हैं. So we'll be exploring this. So let's learn to navigate in our scene view because it is essential कि हमें पता हो कि हम इसमें navigate कैसे करेंगे. So हमारे scene view में navigate करने के लिए हमें हमारा middle mouse button दबाना पड़ता है. And once we press our middle mouse button, you can see that a hand appears. ये वाला hand. So if we do that, हम इसमें pan कर सकते हैं हमारे game scene को. and we can move around the whole scene view by just pressing the middle mouse button. We can rotate in our scene view as well. So to rotate, you have to press the Alt button on your keyboard with the left mouse button, and once this eye icon appears, you can just rotate your scene view in the 360 degree. So that is how you rotate. So to zoom in, zoom out, we just have to scroll our mouse wheel, and that is how it usually works in all of these 3D softwares. So that now we know how to navigate. अब हायरार्की टैब की बात करते हैं. लेफ्ट साइड में हमारा हायरार्की टैब होता है. ये शो करता है हर 3D कंपोनेंट और एनी कंपोनेंट दैट वी हैव इन आवर सीन. यहीं पे हम नए कंपोनेंट्स बनाते हैं एंड यहीं से सेलेक्ट करते हैं हमारे एग्जिस्टिंग कंपोनेंट्स. टू मेक अ न्यू 3D ऑब्जेक्ट हमें जस्ट हायरार्की टैब पे राइट क्लिक करना पड़ेगा. वंस वी राइट क्लिक है हमें एक ड्रॉप डाउन मेन्यू मिलेगा एंड इसमें हमारा 3D ऑब्जेक्ट का एक मेन्यू है. इसी मेन्यू से हम सारे 3D कंपोनेंट्स हमारे सीन में बना सकते हैं. हमें बहुत सारे ऑप्शन मिलते हैं जैसे क्यूब, स्फीयर, कैप्सूल, सिलेंडर, प्लेन, कॉर्ड. बट अभी हम क्यूब लेंगे. सो वंस वी क्लिक ऑन क्यूब, a cube will appear on our scene. So that is how we can create any component by just right clicking on our hierarchy tab and creating any 3D component of our liking. So that is the use of hierarchy tab, जिससे हमें सारे 3D components दिखते हैं and हम नए create कर सकते हैं. Now let's talk about the project window. It's like a file explorer for our scene. यहाँ पे हम नए folders भी create कर सकते हैं by right clicking it, create and then folder. Even C# script जिसपे हम mostly programming करेंगे Unity में. C# script पे ही Unity में programming होती है. After that we would be creating a material right now. अगर material को समझे तो material is like a basic coating of paint over a 3D component जिसपे हम textures लगा सकते हैं so it doesn't look bland. So अभी हम एक material बनाते हैं. We by just clicking on it, we would create a new material and that is how you create any component. And अभी मैं इसका rename करता हूँ, इसको cube रखता हूँ. So that's how we create new components by using the project window. So I guess हमें यहीं पे रुकना चाहिए for our first class. I think that's a lot for the introduction. हमने inspector window देखा and हमने hierarchy tab देखा by creating new components. Then project window में हमने नया material भी देखा. I would suggest कि आप अपने से Unity को थोड़ा सा explore करें and get a hang of Unity's navigation because आगे जाके ये बहुत essential होगा. Next class में we'll be going over the inspector window कि inspector window क्या क्या करता है and we'll be understanding all of these different components that we have in our inspector window and 3D components में क्या basic components होते हैं. So this was just an introduction to Unity. In the next class we'll be going through the inspector window and I hope कि you're all strapped in because this was just an introduction and आगे हम बहुत जल्दी pace उठा लेंगे and they will be learning a lot more. So I'll see you in the next class.